Section 1. Kickball cross. Right foot diagonal. Kick, ball, cross. Right foot diagonal. Forward step. Twist, out, center, forward, kick. Dance box cross. Right foot, cross, back, side, cross. Right foot side, big step. Quarter turn, sailor step. Left quarter turn, left foot, behind, side. Facing 9 o'clock. Count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and Section 2. Forward lock step. Left foot forward step, lock step. Left half turn right foot back. Left quarter turn left foot side. Right foot cross, shoulder pop, right, left foot side. Together cross, facing 12 o'clock. Count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 3. Left quarter turn right foot back. Left quarter turn left foot side. Forward lock step. Right foot forward step, lock step. Chest turn. Left foot forward step. Right pivot. Half turn left foot forward step. Right foot forward step with left foot hitch. To run left right facing 12 o'clock. Count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and Section 4. Left foot forward step, right pivot, quarter turn, cross shuffle, left foot, cross side, cross. Left quarter turn, right foot, back, left foot, side. Swivel, heel, toe with right foot, flip, facing 12 o'clock. Count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and Section 5. Right foot, cross, left foot back. Right chasse step, side together, side. Left foot, cross, left after right foot, sweep. Cross mambo step, right foot, cross rock, recover, back, left foot, drag. Facing 6 o'clock. Count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 6. Repeat behind, side, cross. Right 1/8 turn right foot forward. Forward lock step. Left foot forward step, lock step. Right foot forward step, left pivot, half turn. left after right foot, back, low, facing 730. Count 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and Section 7. Right foot back, left foot heel drag, left foot back, right foot heel big together cross. Left 180 turn, right side hip bump, right, left, right. Left quarter turn, hip bump, left side, left, right, left quarter turn, left foot, step, facing 12 o'clock. Count 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 8. Right foot forward step. Left pivot half turn. 2 piece walk. Right, left. Left quarter turn right side. Lunge. Left quarter turn left foot. Step with right foot flip. Right foot forward step. Left half turn. Weight on right foot. Left foot together. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and full count oneer. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and